Hello everyone. In this video, we'll see how to generate wireframes using Cursor with MockFlow WireframePro in under 2 minutes. We'll be generating wireframes using the same design style that already exists in the current folder, so the final output will match that style perfectly. To get started, open the MockFlow desktop app and create a new wireframe project. Then, head to your browser and copy the Cursor MCP server link from the MockFlow website to set up the connection. Next, open Cursor. Go to Settings, navigate to Tools and MCPs, and click on Add Custom MCP. Paste the copied code into the file and save it. Once done, the MCP server will start running and connect with MockFlow WireframePro. Now, let's add a prompt. For example, create a wireframe for a vehicle listing page with a 3-row grid layout and footer based on the design in the current folder, along with a user booking workflow flowchart. Run the prompt, and the wireframe will be generated. Switch back to MockFlow, and you'll see your wireframe ready. Everything is fully editable, easy to customize, and can be exported whenever needed. You can also enhance your design by adding images to placeholders using the AI option. Just click on Fill Image Placeholders, enter a prompt if needed, and hit Enter. With Cursor and MockFlow working together, you can go from idea to wireframe in seconds. Start exploring and speed up your design process.